Hey people, what's going on? Let's check out this article today on CoinDesk. Basically, it's about Bitcoin and why it's not crossing the 25k mark. So it says here, crypto analysts scramble to explain Bitcoin's pause near $25,000. Bitcoin is struggling to establish a foothold above 25k mark, a level that capped last year back in August. So that was that then. Now, if you have looked at the few videos that I've been making previously about CoinMarketCap and the situation of the global cryptocurrencies, you can see that crypto has been hovering just under Bitcoin, in essence, has been hovering just basically under 25k. So you can see here on the right hand side is currently 24,606. So it has, not been able to pass that mark. So let's see why that might be according to this article. So Bitcoin's BTC upswing has come to a screeching halt at a price level that proved to be tough nut to crack last year. The leading cryptocurrency by market cap picked up a strong bid at the start of the year and has gained nearly 50% since then, outperforming major traditional risk assets. However, the bullish momentum has stalled since February 16, with crypto falling multiple times to secure a foothold, failing multiple times to secure a foothold above the 25k mark, right? The said level offered stiff resistance in August, previously as mentioned, following which the cryptocurrency revisited lows of around $18,000. According to Lauren Cassis, a crypto trading advisor at CC Capital, a breakout above 25k hinges on the performance of tech companies. That's quite interesting, right? It says here, tech firms performed horrendously last year, and it's all down to how they, recover in the first quarter of this year. That's why BTC is not pushing further. And that's what he told CoinDesk. Tech stocks will announce the first quarter earnings after March. So Bitcoin tends to move in sync with Wall Street's tech-heavy Nasdaq index. Recently, the 90-day correlation coefficient between the two strengthened to 0.75, and Nasdaq fell by 2.44% last week, pausing a 4-week winning streak that offered positive cues to high-risk assets like Bitcoin. Now, like this article says, in the last kind of couple of months, Bitcoin has surged, rapidly in value, and it's kind of like coming to it has crossed the 25k mark a few times, but it's not really gone beyond that, and it's not holding there. So it's currently still under 25k. So Cassis added that crypto traders are currently parking money in the world's biggest dollar pegged stablecoin, Tether, USDT, and the Bitcoin rally will resume once that trend ends. Now, there also are kind of, information coming out that Russia and Iran are looking to develop a stablecoin in partnership backed by gold. So other entities around the world are looking at, building out crypto. The market is patiently awaiting realized profits that are parked in USDT right now to pile back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is why we ran out of breath to break the 25k mark. And Cassis said, when BTC is rallying, USD dominance tends to thin out. So data from charting platforms TradingView show Tether dominance, or the stablecoin share of the total crypto market valuation, has steadied around 6.5% since last January. A sign of traders are taking money into the stablecoin, and Cassis said USDT's dominance fell from nearly 9% to 6.5% in January as Bitcoin rallied. So you can see here on this chart by TradingView, you can see the resistance point going across the top there is written here, and you can see where it's hitting that point there and going back down. So according to Paris-based crypto data provider Gecko, heightened regulatory risks have dented sentiment in the market, and volatility is unlikely to go away. Obviously, we do know that crypto space is a volatile space. Last week, the US regulatory agencies specifically called out Paxos for its BUSDT product and not Pax Dollar, hinting at an indirect action against Binance. Obviously, Binance is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. Now, the world's largest exchange by trading volumes, like I just said, and yeah, so basically Binance branded dollar pegged stablecoin issued by Paxos. which is basically BUSD. Since then, long-term and short-term call put skews have retreated to zero, indicating a neutral sentiment in the options market. Call put skews measure the cost of bullish call options relative to bearish put options and are widely tracked to gauge sentiment among sophisticated institutional players and retail investors. Now, the options market has been demonstrating bullish learnings but now maintains a neutral outlook on the market. Analysts at crypto exchange uh, Bitfinex said a report sharing Coindesk investors now place roughly equal value on put and call options. So yeah, so this article has been about Bitcoin holding just under $25,000 mark. We have recently also heard about Hong Kong now looking to become a potential hub for crypto. So that's another place to watch out for because they're probably looking to uh, use the top two, so Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're listed there. That'll be interesting. That might help increase the price of Bitcoin as well going forward. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe. Consider joining the channel as well as a member to get the various benefits. You can check that out by pressing the join button on YouTube. And you can also join Patreon, link in description. Okay, gladiators, rise, let's make some guala.